This series should just be called Millie Talks to Herself, I think. I think that's probably a good idea. Hi guys, and welcome back to another Thank Truck. It's Friday. Today I'm going to be taking you through our top 5 must-haves for keeping your truck clean. So to start us off, we have this mega deal pack full of the top products from White Diamond. In this deal pack you get blue pearl, a metal polish, high shine, a quick detailer and a spray dressing. So what I'm going to do is run through what each product can do for your truck. This White Diamond spray dressing is a non-greasy, non-staining spray that cleans and conditions your vinyl, plastic, rubber or leather surfaces for a natural detailed look. The Blue Pearl is a polish that cleans, polishes and protects all colours of paint while not discolouring trim, and it's blueberry scented and quick drying. The High Shine Finishing Metal Polish is a deep gloss loaded with waxes and sealants. Next up we have the Quick Detailer, which is the best quick detailing spray on the UK market. It's cherry scented and it smells amazing. And last but not least we have the Metal Polish, the best chrome and stainless steel polish available on the UK market. This White Diamond deal pack has £82 worth of products, but we are just selling for £59. That's a steal. And as you can tell, you definitely get a lot for your money. So next on our top 5 is this Streetwise Microfibre Reusable Sponge at just £2.95 excluding VAT. This sponge has ultrafine fibres to effortlessly attract, hold and lift dirt, dust and grease from any surface. This sponge is long lasting, simply wash and clean and you can reuse again, which is always super handy. Next up we have the Allride Heavy Duty Air Duster Gun with a quick connector, which is only £9.95 excluding VAT. This heavy duty air duster gun is perfect for blowing out dust from your cab. Its included T-piece quick connector makes it easy to fit onto your vehicle's air supply. Can't reach that piece of dirt at the top of your truck? Then this is the perfect cleaning product for you. This telescopic cleaning brush extends up to 2.3 metres, which is more than enough to reach the top of your cab. It also includes a nose attachment so you can wash and clean at the same time. This cleaning brush comes in at £13.95 excluding VAT. And finally, after all the cleaning you've done, you're going to want your truck or vehicle to smell nice. So our fifth and final product in our top 5 list is this Grace Mate Poppy Air Freshener. Ta-da! A luxury glass bottle air freshener supplied with foam sticky pad, perfect for mounting on your dashboard. This is a diffuser style air freshener with no power needed. And the best part, you ask? It comes in 8 different scents: citrus, vanilla, strawberry, pine, cherry, freesia, lavender and hibiscus. And this air freshener is only £9.95 excluding VAT. So that's everything. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video of our top 5 must-haves for cleaning your truck. I'll leave all the products linked below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the bell notifications if you'd like to be updated for whatever we post. And that's everything. So goodbye! I feel like I should do it how the YouTubers do it. I'm a YouTuber now, aren't I? So goodbye!